Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. Today's episode we are going to see Chettinad cotton sarees with exclusive block prints. All these sarees are block printed, hand block printed in unique and beautiful designs and patterns. We have all over print and also Butta style printing in these sarees. We have only 350 sarees which are exclusive and we have no repeats in these sarees. Every saree has a unique design by itself. Let's get started with the sarees that we have for today. But before that, to get immediately notified whenever we upload a video, please click on the subscribe button and then press the bell icon so that you get notified immediately. All the sarees that I'm going to show you today are priced at 1290, 1290, and there are few sarees which are priced at 1390. Those sarees carry blouses. The sarees priced at 290 does not have a blouse and the length of the saree is 5.5 meters. Let's get started. Just to reiterate, Prashanti Connect is live. So if you want to do a video call shopping, please take an appointment with us one day prior. Our staff will be able to help you out with the timing, and at your convenience you can shop at home and you will get an amazing shopping experience with us. The first one for today, it's a beautiful brown with dark brown combination. The saree has got small thread border on either sides with temple and annam pattern with a coffee brown piping, and the entire body has got beautiful block prints, geometric pattern on one vertical and peacocks on the other vertical that goes throughout the body. That's how it looks. And this is the pallu. Beautiful temple prints in between the lines. That's the pallu. And this doesn't have a blouse. Priced at 1290. The next one is sea green with blue combination. A beautiful cotton sari with a small zari piping on either sides and temple thread border, and towards the bottom part this has got a kalamkari style block print on either sides of the border, and the entire body has got beautiful floral motifs in two colors. And this is the pallu, block prints in between the lines, and this sari has got an all over printed blouse. So that's the blouse. Priced at 1390. The next one is sunset orange and red with traditional retapet border. So this has got a red korbai style retapet border on either sides with beautiful thread woven pattern, and in between the border this has got floral buttas block printed, and the entire body has got geometrical pattern with a simple pallu, printed pallu, and this doesn't have a blouse. Priced at 1290. The next one is pastel green with olive green combination. A beautiful pattern with gut style block on either sides, and then this has got a thread woven border with a geometric print in the darker color of the body color, and this is the pallu, a printed pallu in between the lines. Priced at 1290. The next one is a beautiful pink with purple combination. This has got a two color border, purple and then mustard, with a thread woven pattern on either sides, and the entire body has got beautiful all over print with simple printed pallu. Priced at 1290. Next one is mehendi green in Ganga Jamuna style. A beautiful style of block print, kalamkari style in either sides. It's got a paisley block print in opposite color combination, and the middle portion of the sari has got beautiful motifs in two color with a simple line pallu. The sari is priced at 1290. Next one is magenta with beautiful annam and rudraksham thread woven border, and this has got peacock motifs running on either sides of the border with a geometric all over block print running throughout the body, and a simple pallu. That's the pallu. Priced at 1290. Next one is orange sunset orange with Ganga Jamuna border. So this has got pink on one side and green on the other side with thread woven mango border on either sides. The entire body has got an all over print with a simple lined pallu, and this has got a printed blouse. So on the border this has got a print. Priced at 1390. The next one is beige with green combination. This has got a small zari line with beautiful temple thread border on either sides, and towards the bottom part we've done kalamkari block print in green with beautiful motifs of peacocks on the body, and this is the pallu, same style along the pallu, and this has got an all over printed blouse. So that's the blouse. Priced at 1390. The next one is coffee brown and green with long border. So this has got motifs in two colors running on either sides of the border with beautiful Rudraksham woven pattern in thread, and the entire body has got a two color all over floral print with simple printed pallu. That's the pallu. The sari is priced at 1290. The next one is again Ganga Jamuna style. One color in one side of the border and another color on the other side. So this has got green and red with beautiful thread woven temple pattern, and along both sides of the border it's got floral buttas with an all over print running throughout the body, and this is the pallu, a printed pallu, simple and elegant. Priced at 1290. Next one is fluorescent green with Retapet Rudraksham border. So this sari has got beautifully woven thread border on either sides, and in between the border we have given nice block prints in geometric pattern, and the entire body has got an abstract pattern in a darker shade of the body color. And this is the pallu, simple printed pallu. Priced at 1290. The next one is chiku with maroon combination, a beautiful color combination with buttas on either sides of the border and Rudraksham thread woven pattern with an all over print in the middle portion of the sari in maroon color. And this is the pallu, a simple printed pallu. Priced at 1290. The next one is black and maroon with floral thread woven border on either sides, and this has got temple block printing on either sides of the border with beautiful buttas, floral buttas on the body, and this is the pallu, a simple printed pallu. Priced at 1290. All these saris are exclusive collection at very affordable price range. So this is a Ganga Jamuna long border style sari with bold motifs of peacocks on either sides of the border, and the entire body has got an all over print with a simple lined printed pallu. Priced at 1290. The next one is sunset orange and brick red combination. So this has got a geometric pattern running throughout the body with beautiful elephant motifs running on either sides of the border, and this is the pallu, a simple printed pallu. Priced at 1290. Next one is pista green and olive green combination. So this has got beautifully done borders on either sides, block printed with printed motifs in between, and this has got a beautiful paisley and annam woven border. This is the pallu, a printed pallu. Priced at 1290. The next one is maroon with orange combination. So this has got beautiful peacock motifs on either sides of the border with a geometric pattern running throughout the body and a simple printed pallu. Priced at 1290. The next one is a dual shade of blue and yellow with retapet border, thread woven border. So this has got an all over print in navy blue, a floral print running throughout the body with a simple printed pallu. That's the pallu. Priced at 1290. The next one is mustard and green with a small kadhi zari border and thread woven pattern in green on either sides of the border, and the entire body has got an all over print in the darker shade of the body color. That's how it looks. And this is the pallu, a simple printed pallu, priced at 1390. This one is peach in Ganga Jamuna style, 2-color border with beautiful motifs block printed on either sides of the border, and the middle portion of the sari has got a geometric pattern in a darker shade of the body color. And this is the pallu, a simple printed pallu, priced at 1290. The next one is grey and blue combination with very pretty thread woven border on either sides and a blue piping, and the entire body has got vertical block prints, vertical lines of floral pattern running throughout the body. And this is the pallu with simple lines and prints in between the lines, priced at 1290. The next one is olive green with Ganga Jamuna border with yellow and magenta on either sides, and this has got a beautiful kalamkari style block printing done on either sides of the border with temple thread woven pattern, and the middle portion of the sari has got beautiful floral motifs in 2-color. And this is the pallu, a simple lined printed pallu, priced at 1290. The next one is a beautiful blue with darker blue border, and this has got beautiful floral prints on either sides of the border with annam and mango pattern woven in thread, and the middle portion of the sari has got beautiful geometric print. This is the pallu, a simple lined pallu, and this sari doesn't carry any blouse, priced at 1290. The next one is yellow with Ganga Jamuna style. So this has got a small kadhi zari border on either sides with green border on one side and pink on the other side, and both of the borders have got floral prints with a beautiful all over pattern running throughout the body. And this is the pallu, a simple printed pallu, and this has got a plain yellow blouse. So that's the blouse, priced at 1390. Next one is magenta and green with traditional Rudraksham retapet border. So this has got beautiful Rudrakshams woven in thread on either sides, and in between the border it's got beautiful block print with an all over pattern running throughout the body. And this is the pallu, a simple pallu, priced at 1290. The next one is mustard with green combination. So this has got a green border on either sides with a small zari running on both sides of the border and a temple thread woven pattern. So on both sides of the border we've got beautiful buttas in block prints, and the entire body has got an all over geometric pattern with a simple printed pallu. That's the pallu, and this has got a running blouse with a printed pattern for the border, priced at 1390. The next one is chiku and coffee brown with temple thread border. So this sari carries beautiful peacock motifs on either sides with a geometric zigzag pattern running throughout the body in coffee brown, and this is the pallu, a simple printed pallu, priced at 1290. The last sari for today It's a beautiful brick orange with blue combination. This has got a thread woven pattern on either sides of the body with a small blue piping, and towards the end of the border this has got small print just to highlight the border in blue with an all over pattern running throughout the body. And this is the pallu, a beautifully printed pallu, priced at 1,290. We have randomly picked saris to show in today's video, but we have much more saris with beautiful color combination and amazing block prints that are uploaded in our website. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in, or you can also click on the link given in the description, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video and have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.